Hello students, now let's move toward our next topic, that is application of heating effects. Now you know what is heating effect. So now we will see where this heating effect is being used. The first application of heating effect is it is used in the working of electrical heating appliances. So which are these electrical heating appliances? They are iron, the press which you use to iron your clothes, then heater. So in this heater, water heater, room heater, everything comes in heater. Then toaster and many more are there, like oven and all. So these are the appliances in which heating effect is being used. Nichrome is the element which is used, or alloy which is used for this effect. The part which is getting heated up is made up of nichrome. Why nichrome? Since nichrome is an alloy with high resistivity, and the important feature I can say of this alloy is that its resistance do not change with temperature. So temperature rises since there is no effect on the heating element. Now here is a, a water heater, electrical water heater. So this part is made up of nichrome. Here you have supply through which wire comes, and here is the supply. Now this wire is made up of copper. Copper is having less resistivity, so current can flow easily, and after coming here, the rod starts from here. The heating rod starts from here. So this will slowly starts getting heated up, and this will turn red. And if you keep it in water, water will start getting heated up. Okay. So now what happens? This is made up of alloy, and this is your normal copper wire. So current can flow through your copper wire easily, but since there is lot of resistance in nichrome, it cannot flow easily through this part, and that's why it starts generating heat. So this is one appliance, and this is the one example of heating effect. The second example of heating effect is it is used in electric bulbs. Now you must have seen, everyone of you must have seen electric bulb. How it is? There is one tungsten wire in between, right? And this is connected to your power source with one positive end and one negative end. So tungsten is also having higher resistivity. So when your current will flow, this tungsten will start getting heated up, and after reaching a certain point, it will start emitting light. But its temperature goes very high. It approximately goes to 2000 degrees Celsius. So at this temperature, it can get oxidized, and if it gets oxidized, it can break. So this tungsten wire is kept in a bulb in which there are inert gases. Inert gases are those gases which do not react, and that is the reason why a tungsten wire is having longer life. The temperature of this tungsten wire which it can bear, and after which it starts melting, is nearly about 3380 degrees Celsius. After that it starts melting. So it can bear this much high temperature. But the disadvantage of this bulb is it converts 95% of its energy into heat, and only 5% of energy is converted into light. So that is why it is said, instead of using bulb, you should move towards CFLs, LEDs, or even your tube lights. The third application of heating effect is electric fuse. So electric fuse is made up of copper wire generally, which is very thin, and it has very less melting point. Whatever material which you are taking for electric fuse should have less melting point. So these are the two terminals which are conductors. In between this, there is this wire which is very thin, and it is having higher resistivity, but its melting point is less, and this thing is kept in some insulator, and this is connected to your main switchboard, or even this is connected to your electrical appliances in series connection. In series. Why in series? Because we have studied in series connection. If one component breaks in series connection, then the entire circuit stops working. So to protect our appliances, our domestic connection from any overload of current, we use electric fuse. So when there is overcurrent, what happens? The current comes here, but since this is having higher resistivity and it melts at a very low temperature, the current rises of this wire and it melts and it breaks. And when it breaks, the supply is cut off and all the apparatus are being saved from getting harmed. So this was about your application of heating effect.